In today's video, I'll show you on how you can hard reset a HyperX keyboard. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your keyboard, and from there you want to make sure to unplug your keyboard from your computer. From there, the keyboard will basically power off, and then we want to press two buttons simultaneously while the keyboard is turned off. That button is going to be the function key, which is the Fn key on the bottom side of your keyboard. Meanwhile, the escape key. You want to hold click or you want to hold press these two buttons for at least 5 seconds after plugging it back in. So you want to press both buttons simultaneously, plug your keyboard back in, and then you want to hold the button for another 5 seconds, and then the lights will then reset. You will be able to see that right here. And from there, you will be able to simply hard reset your keyboard. Now, this will work mostly for HyperX keyboards out there. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.